Hormones, the overlooked clock of aging. Hormones are how our body communicates and repairs itself. Thyroid hormone, sex hormones, cortisol, and insulin all influence metabolism, muscle preservation, brain function, and inflammation. When hormonal signaling is optimized, the body becomes far more adaptable. At Gladden Longevity, we assess how these signals are produced, converted, and received at the cellular level, not just whether your labs fall into the normal range. When hormonal communication is restored with precision, patients often experience improvements in strength, recovery, cognition, and long-term resilience, well beyond just energy improvements alone. When hormonal communication is restored with this level of precision, we can help you reclaim the strength and cognitive resilience that you thought was gone for good.